Welcome to GetAssist English, and in today's video I will just tell you how you can set Google as a default search engine on your browser. So whenever we need any information, we generally prefer Google. Google doesn't come as default search engine in many browsers. So in today's video we will just going to set Google as a default search engine in two specific browsers, that are Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's start the process to make Google as a default search engine on Chrome. So first of all, we will open the Chrome. Then you can see the Chrome interface here. Click on this three dot on top right, then click on settings. Now on your right hand side there are many options. So click on search engine. Click on these options. You will see the option of Google. Select it and you are done. Now the same process we will do on Microsoft Edge. For this, open the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on this three dot on top right, then come to settings. Now you can see here the search bar. Write search engine. Now you can see the option of address bar and search. Click on this and select Google and you are done. So by following these steps you can easily set Google as a default search engine on your browser. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.